Hello everyone, this is Crafter Buddy. Today I am going to be playing Pixel Shooter FPS. Pixel Gun 3D. This takes a lot of time to do. Okay guys, so we are in. It is still low. Okay guys, we are in, so let's go. Yeah, I wanted to show you guys. Before recording, I practiced this map and I became Destruction Man. I don't know how I became that. So let's go. देखो योको एनेसाम कौन से टेंट्राम on the chat sam Raine Jena Genia Musti Planet ding 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 ding. You want to die? Come here. I have a freaking gun in my hand. I know how to use these guns. You're going to die. You want to die? Come here. Come here. Come here, noob. Launch the bombs. Wow. Holy! I'm a monkey in this game. You want to die? Come here with my bombs. Listen, Link. देखो योको एनेसाम कौन सुकेन ट्राम on the chat sam Raine Jena Genia Musti Planet. Just saw. I'm literally spamming right now. Bop him. Flame him down, boys. Flame him down. My flamethrower actually. Probably don't know how much I'm spamming. No mining. You want to die? You want to die? You want to die? Come here. Wouldn't know how much I'm spamming the shoot button. I just installed this game right now and here I am. Me dab. Chat is jealous. Noobs. We won. Yo, 5 kills. Nice. Alright. Okay guys, I created a clan, Bird YT clan. Now you all are going to be promoted to co-leader in hill climb racing. Join the Bird YT clan. All the people will get promoted. The mini games. Let's see it. This is 2013 version of it. This game was long back. Oh, I died. Wow. Yay, I died. Yay. No. Why is this game mode so hard? Okay. Come on. Okay, died. Okay guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and share. Bye guys.